Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I would like to showcase an AI chat platform called Not a Diamond AI, and it will use the best AI models to answer to your questions. So let's get started. Now, if I visit their page for pricing, with the free version, you could do a lot. Now, if I click on chat, you'll be able to access to this page, and here are all of the AI models that you could access to, and I have access to all of them. So it will use the base AI models to answer your specific questions. So for instance, if my question is, so I already wrote this prompt in advance. So when is the UFC match between Sean and Rob, which is the UFC fight, and gonna happen tomorrow? So I'm gonna just check which AI models it's gonna use. So let me just ask it. Yes, it's tomorrow, that's right. And it use perplexity model. And that's pretty cool, like for if I'm looking for something that gonna happen in the future, or I'm for my research, I'm gonna, of course, use perplexity. And now, if I use a different question, for instance, I wrote this prompt in advance, and if I ask it, write me so the prompt I wrote already is like write me a friendly and casual email to check in on my friend Mark, and it used ChatGPT 4.0 to respond to the specific question. So it seems that ChatGPT 4.0 is the best models to respond to this question, and you can also change it as well. For instance, if you wanna use a different, I click on wrong thing. So if you wanna use instead of ChatGPT 4 Mini, you could use, for instance, Gemini Pro 1.5 or other AI models, or I could use. Let me just see what else it have. So I would use Cloudy, and it will use that AI models and will answer this question. So it's pretty cool. Like you could do it, you could do this stuff for free. It's free now, but probably they'll also add some sort of pricing to the free version as well, because it's pretty cool what you could do with it. Now, one more thing. There's a few other things I would like to share about it as well. So again, you can. One important thing is, like, if you click on this thumbs up, then it will always use for emails or this kind of queries, it will use like ChatGPT 4.0, for instance. And if you click on arena mode, it's pretty cool. So let me just click on arena mode and choose another prompt that I already wrote in advance and paste it right here. So it will come with two responses without giving us what it used for it to come up with this response. So we don't know at the moment which AI models not Diamond AI used to come up with this response at the moment. But once we click and choose one of them, then it will reveal the answer. So you can choose like both are good or both are bad. So, or I can just choose one of them. Pick whichever answer you think is better. So let me just think. I think this response is better, because if I want to create like a landing page, I first need to create like create a next app. So I'm gonna go with this one. This just gave us a specific component code. But this specifically show me like what to do first, and then will be having access to like creating the page. So I'm gonna select this one, and now it will reveals what it used for. So this ChatGPT 4.0 for this response, and Cloud 3 for this response. So this is also a pretty cool feature. And the last thing it has is custom system prompt. So what custom system prompt do is, you can come with your custom prompts, and you can set like instruction and guidelines for the prompt as well. So for instance, I'm going to create one. So I read this in advance. So you're an AI model designed to respond in a casual and friendly way. So copy all of them, all of it, and I'll paste it there. And I could call it like casual, or I forgot how to spell like casual. Let me just, okay, perfect, casual tone. So I can save it, and now I could come up with a few more by selecting, like for instance, I have already one, and I come up with another one as well, and then it will use that guidelines and instruction for the prompts that you're writing. It will kind of answer in a way that would guidelines and instruction that you give it to it. So wonderful. If you like this video, guys, please thumbs up to it, and feel free to join my Discord community as well. I'm working on that as well on the side, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.